If you are tired of spending hours editing TikTok videos, searching for trending sounds, or paying hundreds of dollars every month for video editing software, pay close attention to this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to App Verdict. Today, we're taking an honest look at TokNinja AI. My quick verdict: if you want a fast, hands-free way to create short-form content and run TikTok channels without any technical or video editing skills, TokNinja AI is a massive shortcut. It packs a trend finder, script writer, automated editor, and post scheduler into one dashboard for a small one-time fee. However, there is a 10-step funnel behind this launch, so stick around to see which upgrades are worth your money and which ones you should skip. So, what exactly is TokNinja AI? In simple terms, it is an all-in-one AI-powered TikTok content engine. Instead of using multiple separate apps to research trends, write scripts, generate voiceovers, edit clips, and schedule posts, TokNinja AI handles every single step inside a single dashboard. It's designed specifically for affiliate marketers, content creators, and social media managers who want to publish consistent, viral-ready videos without showing their face on camera or spending hours tweaking timelines.
Hello, and welcome to TokNinja AI. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how you can create viral TikTok content automatically using AI. No video editing skills, no graphic design experience, no spending hours creating content. Everything is done for you in just a few clicks. Once you log in, this is your main dashboard. On the left side, you'll find all the powerful tools available inside TokNinja AI. TikTok Video Maker, TikTok Post Creator, URL Shortener, Hashtag Generator, Trend Finder, Viral Video Finder, Thumbnail Creator. Everything you need to grow your TikTok account is available in one simple dashboard. Let's begin with the TikTok Video Maker. This is where you create engaging short-form videos in minutes. Simply enter your niche or topic, write a prompt, or let AI generate one. Choose your voice, select video format, enable subtitles if needed, then click Generate. Within moments, TokNinja AI creates a professional TikTok video automatically.
Alone in a foreign city, a young woman receives a letter mailed by her late grandmother. Each heartfelt word uncovers forgotten family secrets and leads her to places filled with memories. Along the way, she discovers that love never truly dies. It waits patiently to guide us home.
Money moves fast. Your business should too. Instantly track income, expenses, invoices, and collections while AI highlights trends and opportunities in real time. Spend less time managing spreadsheets and more time scaling your business with finance that works as hard as you do.
Next, let's open the TikTok Post Creator. Creating scroll-stopping posts is simple. Just enter your post title, describe your idea, choose your AI design model, select the number of designs, decide whether to include text, pick your preferred layout, click Generate. And within seconds, your TikTok post is ready to publish. Need to share affiliate links or promotional URLs? The built-in URL shortener lets you shorten links, track clicks, monitor campaign performance. Perfect for creators, marketers, and affiliates. Next is the hashtag generator. Simply enter your niche. TokNinja AI instantly generates trending hashtags, niche-specific hashtags, high-reach keywords, helping your content reach a much larger audience. Now let's check out the Trend Finder. This powerful tool helps you discover trending TikTok topics, viral challenges, popular content ideas, emerging trends. So you'll always know exactly what content people are watching right now. One of the most valuable tools is the Viral Video Finder. Simply search by keyword or niche. TokNinja AI finds high-performing viral videos so you can analyze successful content, discover winning ideas, create better videos faster, never run out of content inspiration again. Finally, let's look at the thumbnail creator. Create eye-catching thumbnails in seconds. Generate high CTR thumbnails, bright, engaging designs, professional visuals, designed to increase clicks and grab attention. Don't forget to explore the bonus area. You'll find additional resources and exclusive tools to help you grow even faster. If you ever need assistance, simply click Support. Our team is always ready to help whenever you need it. Instead of spending hours creating TikTok content every day, TokNinja AI helps you create viral videos, design engaging posts, find trending topics, generate powerful hashtags, discover viral content, build better thumbnails, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Log in, start creating, and grow your TikTok presence with TokNinja AI.
Let's walk through how the platform works step by step. First, you log in and select your niche, product topic, or website link. Second, you use the built-in Trend Finder and Viral Video Finder. The AI instantly scans your niche and surfaces top-performing formats, viral sounds, and proven hooks working right now. Third, you open the AI script and hook writer to generate a complete video script along with a scroll-stopping hook in seconds. Fourth, the AI video maker generates the full video, adds burned-in subtitles, and overlays realistic text-to-speech voiceovers with one click. Fifth, you can fine-tune your video using the drag-and-drop editor, add your bio link using the built-in URL shortener, generate optimized hashtag sets, and schedule the video to post automatically at peak engagement times. Your TikTok channel practically runs itself on autopilot.
Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because I'm about to show you why smart creators are quietly walking away from their clunky editing apps, and how they're now creating unlimited viral TikTok videos, and more importantly, how you can run your entire content channel from a simple chat box with 0 monthly fees. Over the past few years, something frustrating has been happening. Short-form video, the fastest growing content format on Earth, has been getting harder to keep up with. Not because it stopped working, but because staying consistent kept getting more expensive. More videos, more editing hours, bigger channel, bigger tool stack, and every single day, it never stops. So why does TikTok still beat everything else? Because TikTok isn't just another platform. It's the cheapest way to reach a brand new audience. One video can outperform months of paid ads, and it still delivers the highest organic reach of any channel. That's the fastest, cheapest growth channel available today. Which is exactly why creators rely on it, agencies rely on it, brands rely on it, everyone comes back to TikTok. Because when you compare the results, the difference is obvious. TikTok gives you more views, more followers, more trust, more sales, which means more profit for you. But here's the problem. To post at any real scale, you usually have to edit everything yourself. Hours per video with a manual editor, $50 to $300 per month for editing, hashtag and trend tools. Even more if you hire an editor per video, and it never stops. Every new trend, every new platform update, more work. And on top of that, you still have to find what's trending yourself. You still have to write your own hooks. You still have to guess if it'll even get watched. So even though TikTok is powerful, actually using it fully becomes expensive and exhausting. That's why we built something different, something smarter, something simpler, something more powerful. Introducing TokNinja AI, an AI-powered TikTok content engine that gives you unlimited videos, accounts, and niches. AI that finds trends and writes your hooks for you. Smart editing and posting optimization on every video, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another editing app. This is your complete content command center. Here's what happens after you activate TokNinja AI. You log in, you pick a niche, or drop in a link. Then you just tell the AI what you want, and instantly, TokNinja AI finds what's trending in your niche, writes your hook, script, and captions, edits the video with the drag-and-drop builder, and posts it at your best-performing time. Promos, product videos, client content, viral remixes, in seconds. Which means no blank timeline editing, no per export fees, no guessing, no flopping, no limits, just results. And here's where it gets even better. TokNinja AI isn't just fast, it's smart. Built for higher watch time, trend-matched, high-converting hooks, discovery-first hashtags, and posting times. So your videos don't just go out faster, they perform better. Better views, better follows, better conversions. And yes, it's beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed. No editing experience, no complicated setup. If you can type, you can run TokNinja AI. Now let's talk about the price. Normally, to post at this scale, you'd be paying every single month, forever. But today, you don't have to. With TokNinja AI, you get everything with a simple one-time payment, no subscriptions, no per export fees, no recurring bills. Just activate it once, and it's yours. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it, post your first video with it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So now the decision is yours. Do you keep spending hours on manual editing tools every week? Or do you unlock unlimited AI-powered content in one place? If you're ready to, create unlimited videos for unlimited accounts. Let AI find trends and write your hooks for you. Escape monthly, per export editing bills, boost your views, follows, and sales, and finally use TikTok at its full potential. Then click the button below, activate TokNinja AI, and unlock the most powerful content engine available today. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress, just powerful AI content working for you. Your move starts now.
Now, let's cover the optional upgrades in the funnel so you don't waste your budget. The front-end price is just $17, giving you full access to the core engine. OTO1 is the unlimited edition at $47. This removes all daily limits on video creation, connected accounts, and trend searches. If you plan to manage multiple accounts or offer client services, this upgrade is essential. OTO2 is the DFY setup at $97, which delivers 100 ready-to-post viral videos, channel graphics kits, and pre-made voiceover packs. OTO3 is the automation edition at $37. This enables automated trend detection, scheduled auto-posting, and auto-repurposing to YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. The remaining upgrades cover specialized templates, traffic tools, agency rights, and white label access. My recommendation, grab the $17 front end, pair it with OTO1 Unlimited, and add OTO3 Automation for a powerful hands-free setup. When you pick up TokNinja AI through the link in the description below, you'll also unlock our complete App Verdict bonus bundle. We've put together 12 exclusive tools to help you get more traffic, leads, and sales faster. Client Extractor. Pull targeted local business leads directly from Google Maps to sell your TikTok content services. Lead Fusion Elite. Convert those business leads into recurring $500 monthly retainer clients. Auto Support Bot. Add an automated chat support system to your website so your agency looks fully established. Soci Ultima. Automatically syndicate your short-form videos across major social networks for free organic traffic. Gram Suite. Automate your Instagram engagement to grow a secondary audience alongside your TikTok accounts. Pin Marketer. Automate your Pinterest tasks to siphon extra traffic to your offer links. Video Focus. Keep your video reviews playing sticky in the corner of your webpage as visitors scroll down. Video Builder. Easily build fast-loading video review landing pages that convert viewers into buyers. Video quiz game. Create interactive video quizzes to skyrocket watch time and audience engagement. Lead book generator. Capture direct email leads from social platforms and sync them straight to your autoresponder. Opt-in monster. Display floating subscriber panels on your site to collect emails from your BioLink visitors. Email Profits Formula, a complete video training showing you how to turn your new email subscribers into affiliate commissions. All 12 of these exclusive bonuses will be delivered automatically inside your purchase portal immediately after checkout when you buy through the link below. To wrap things up, TokNinja AI solves the biggest hurdle in short-form video marketing, staying consistent without burning out or paying heavy monthly software fees. For a low one-time price of $17, it replaces expensive video editors, script writers, and scheduling tools. Keep in mind that the $17 launch pricing and this entire 12-piece app verdict bonus stack are available for a limited time. Once the launch special ends or the first 25 bonus spots are claimed, this offer and the bonus package will close. Click the first link in the description below right now to grab TokNinja AI along with all 12 of our custom bonuses before the price goes up. If this review brought you value, please drop a like on the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more straight-to-the-point software reviews. Thanks for watching. Click the link below.